how to repair this gear motor for sandpipper 2-inch diaphragm pump. So let's start. First we unscrew with this 13 mm socket. As you see, the motor, the cylinder inside have paint on it. That may be causing it to not working properly. So we will open this screw both sides and take out the cylinder from inside. I unscrew this. Let's open it. This is too much sticky. Need to clean it properly. One side is closed and this side, the one with the hole, I was spring. So make sure to put everything back in place. Good. The hand. Take this out. I have this old crystal. I'm going to put it here and hit from this side. So we take that out too. This always have this O-rings over here. Like this one without the O-rings, it's going to be free inside. As you see, this one got paint and the rings are not good too. We will clean this, change the O-rings if required, and then put everything back. I cleaned the cylinder, but before we put this inside, we need to clean this properly. You can see there's too much residue inside, so we'll try to clean as much we can. And secondly, make sure to clean these holes too. Okay, so I cleaned this one bottom side as much we can. As you see, these things, there are patterns. This one here, from where the air moves, the middle one, this needs to be cleaned properly. I use this wire to do the cleaning. You can use anything, whatever you feel comfortable with. Cleaned everything. So I cleaned everything. Inspected the rings. These are good. We can use the same rings. Now I'm gonna put this back and then this one going to slowly inside. First we put the rings on it. So I put the rings and now we just need to make sure these holes come on the side, because there are holes here. If you check with this one, there's a hole here. Make sure this come in the center. See, this is equal space, and those O-rings come in this region here, and it's equal space both sides. Now one side we just put this one and cover, because the other side we are going to put the spring also. Now this side is going to put this down. nut always come next to the hole. And put the screw. It's ready. The air motor. Now we'll put it in the pump and check. Okay, so the pump is fixed. And now let's start and check.